So today we'll start a new chapter, that is linear programming. Okay. So what you call as a linear programming? It is a mathematical technique it is a mathematical technique to find an optimal solution. Optimal means maximum or minimum solution. This is a maximum or minimum solution. Actually, it is a graphical method. Look at here. Suppose we have two lines like this, and you found a common region here. This region has corner points. Okay, this helps us to find the optimal solution, that is maximum or minimum solution. So different terms used in this. If I say it is ax plus by is greater than c, or ax plus by less than c, y-axis, x-axis, this is your feasible region. This is your feasible region. This we call as the corner points. Corner points. Different parts I told you. Linear constraints in equations. That gives a region called feasible region. That gives you solution, optimal solution, that has the corner points from the feasible region. So let me write down in details of this. That is objective function. Objective function. What is called objective function in the linear programming problem? A linear function z equals to ax plus by. Z equals to ax plus by, where a and b are constants. Okay, where a and b are constants, which has to be, this has to be, which has to be maximized or minimized. Okay, this is called objective functions. Then linear constraints. In equations like ax plus by greater than c, or ax plus by less than c, are called, that forms the that forms the feasible region. Feasible region are called linear constraints. Okay, then comes up feasible region. What is called then feasible region? The region formed by the linear constraints. The common region, you can say common region formed by the linear constraints to find the optimal solution. Okay, then comes up corner points. Common points between two linear constraints. Okay, with this we can start our solutions. So let's take one question. Minimize and maximize which came in 2017. This is a textbook question 8. This is our exercise. You can say this is our exercise 12.1. Easy questions are there. Exercise 12.1, question number 8. This time very simple questions you will get. So it is given us minimize and maximize. Minimize and maximize. Which one? Now Z is given to us. What is that? Now x plus 2y. Subject to linear constraints. Subject to linear constraints. What are those? That is x plus 2y greater than equals to 100, x plus 2y greater than equals to 100, 2x minus y less than equal to 0. Then comes up x is 2x plus y less than 200. 2x plus y less than 200. X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. So, positive linear constants are there. Means it is first quadrant, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. These linear constants we have to solve to find a feasible region. Okay, see the method. Solution. X plus 2y greater than equals to 100. See its table. Very simple method you see. X and y. Put x equals to 0. So this will be 0. 2y is 100. Y is 100 by 2, that is 50. Similarly, put y equals to 0. When you put y equals to 0, this becomes 0, then x is equal to 100. So I want to tell you what is the meaning of this. Suppose you got a line like this. It has two regions. Region 1 is region 2. Region 1 is this region is towards origin. This region is away from the origin. So we have to see this equation has the region towards origin or away from origin. Means that is called test of origin. Test of origin means you might have studied in class 11 also. 8 0 0 0 0 means put 0 0 here. 0 plus 2 into 0 greater than 100. So 0 greater than 100 is false. Means if I consider the origin, this line is having two regions. So the region is away from the region, not towards the region. You can write the region is away from the origin. Okay, let's go to next question. So next one is 2x minus y. Okay, let me copy that table. This is x, y, 0, 50, 0, 100. Okay, x minus 2y less than 0. Remember, if there is no constant here, if this is not a constant, means look at here, this will be x equal to 2y or not. If I take this term to that side, it will be x equal to 2y. That means if I put x is 0, y is 0. That means this is a line which passes through origin. When there is no constant here, this type of equation, it will pass through the origin. So it will divide line in this way. That is, one is below the line, one is above the line. Previous one, it was like this. There was a line not passing through origin, so towards the origin, away from the origin. Here is a region below the line, above the line. So this is different way to calculate. This one already told you, test of origin. So what you do here is take few points. 2 points will help us. You can write x is less than equal to 2y. Take big values. Take x is 0, y is 0. X, y. Y is 0, x is 0. Take y is 50, x is 100. Okay? So, here what I am to say is, test a point. Suppose this is 50, this is 100. This is 50, this is 100. 0, 0, 100, 50. Means a line passes like this. If I plot these 2 points, the line will pass like this. So, we have to select whether it is region 1 or region 2. Which one you have to take here? We don't know. So, what we will do is, test a point here. The line passes through origin, we will have test a point. Pick up any point here. Like 50, 100. If I go 50, 100, this is a point which will be 50, 100. So I have taken a point in this region 50, 100. Check. Checking the point. Checking the point. Which point? Now I have taken any point. It's not fixed. Anything you can take here or here. Suppose I have chosen a point here which is 150. 150. This will not decide. 140 suppose you will take, because that will become 0. You cannot decide. 140 suppose. So put here, that is x minus 2y less than 0. X is 100 minus 2 into 40 less than 0. 80. 20 less than 0 is false. If this becomes true, then this is the region. It became false for this point, so we will go to other side, away from the origin. So this region you have to consider. So implies the point, the region is in the upper part of the line. Upper part of the line. So two tables you made. One is this one. This is 0, 0, 150. Okay. Go to third equation. Third equation is, third equation is 2x plus y less than equal to 200. Same method. Here is x, here is y. Put x is 0. If you put x is 0, y is 200. Put y is 0, x is 100. Okay, since there is a constant, it doesn't pass through origin, so test of origin. Means 0, 0. 2 into 0 plus 0 less than 200. 0 less than 200, that became 2. 0 is less than 200, so the region is towards origin. Towards origin. Towards origin. Third table I have copied here. This is x, y. This is 0, 200, 100, 0. Okay. These three tables will plot, find out in the graph paper. Actually, you should have the graph paper for this, that will be accurate for you. So, let's see here. This is suppose 50, 100, 150, 200. This is 50, 100, 150, 200. Okay, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. When you say x is greater than 0, this side. When you say y is greater than 0, this line. That means your graph will remain within this. It will not go outside. So what you do is, let's put the first one, 0, 50. 0, 50 is this point. 100, 0 is this point. So you draw a line. Okay. So this line, this is A point, this is B point, and we had told that this region is outside the region. It is not towards the region, this part. Okay. Second part is 0, 0, 150. 150. Was it so? 150. and its region, A line का region was other side, means this side, this side. Common region you have to take. So that is why I am not coming this side, because this line area common. Then 0 to 100, 0 to 100, 100 0, 100 0 is this. So if I rub this part, this becomes our feasible region. Common, because this is towards the origin. Towards the origin means this side, this line is away from origin, this line is other side. So write its equation. This is 2x x plus 2y. X plus 2y less than 200. Is it so? Yeah. This was x minus 2y less than 0. What about this equation? 2x plus y greater than 100. Three equations. This is your feasible region. This is called feasible region. Corner points, look at here. 1. This is A. This is suppose C. This is D. This is E. A, C, D, E are the corner points. So you can write down corner points. A is what? 0, 50. Then comes up E, 0 to 100. Then comes up D and C. D and C you have to find out from the graph. So if you see the graph, the intersecting point, so if you draw perpendicular, this is x value. If you draw perpendicular, this is your y value. So you can find out how much it is. That is 50, 20, 20, 40 will come out. This will be 20, 40. 20, 40. D will be how much? D will be 50, 100. Actually, this is not accurate. So, 50, 100 it will be. Well, this is not accurate graph. So, that will be 0, 50, 0 to 100. Then this is 50, 100. This point will be 50, 100. So this is 20, 40. This will be is this graph correct? Let's check. What was the question? That was 2x minus y. Oh, I have done a mistake. This is 2x minus y less than 0. 2x minus y less than 0. I have done with x minus 2y thing. Because if I put x0, I got y0. If I put x 100, y200, x50, y100, x50, y100. So that is a little correction. So what you can do is this equation in the question you can change. Write as x minus 2y less than 0. So for this will be the graph. Doesn't matter. You should have the accurate graph. So you got here. This is, or if you change the graph, x minus 2y less than 0 में table will be x y 0 0 then y if I put 50, x is 100. Actually the graph is 50, 100 somewhere here. The graph will go in this point. Okay, this is not the graph. New graph you can check it. This is C 20, 40. This is D 50, 100. Okay, this is our feasible region. I know the region is this. Not more problem we have in this. So let's put those table you have to make here. Table means Z you have to make. First you write corner points, then you write Z is equal to Z is x plus 2y. First corner point is A, that is 0, 50. 0, 50 put here. 0 plus 2 into 50, that is 100. B, not B, we have E. 0, 200. 0, 200 means 0 plus 2 into 200, that is 400. Then comes up C, 20, 40. I hope you can see it. 20, 40. 20 plus 2 into 40, 80, 100. Then comes D, 50, 100. Okay, 50, 100 will be $50, 100. 50 plus 2 into 100, 250. Okay, I hope you can see now. This is your maximum, minimum at 2 points. So Z is minimized, or you can write Z is minimum at which point? Minimum, that is 100, at which point? At 0, 50, and other one is 20, 40. That is minimum value. Z is maximum, that is 400. At which point? That is 0 to 100. Okay, so I'll give hints for another question. You will try. Suppose I take another question here. If I take another question, question number 7. That also came in 2017. Question number 7. Question number 7. Minimize and maximize. Z is equal to minimize and maximize. Z equals to 5x plus 10y. Okay, this has to be calculated. Then comes up subject to subject to what? X plus 2y less than 120. Then x plus y greater than 60. Then x minus 2y greater than 0. Then x greater than 0, y greater than 0. This is understood. This is first quadrant. Look at this shortcut method. Solution: x plus 2y less than 120. When there is a constant less than, blindly you write it is towards the origin. So only value we have to find out. 0, 60. If x 0, 60, y 0, 120. The region is, because when you put 0, 0 less than 122, the region is towards origin. This one done. This x plus y greater than 60. Table 0, 60, 0, 60. Remember, when there is a constant greater value away from origin, the region is away from origin. Away from origin. Okay. Then comes up this one, x minus 2y greater than 0. So you remember here, when there is no constant, this will pass through the origin. Put the value x, y, 0, 0. Suppose y is 60. 60 means 120. Okay, this one you have to check separately. Okay, let me copy the table here. This is 0, 60, 120, 0. This was the first one. Second you got 0, 60. 0, 60, 0, 60. This is towards origin. This is away from origin. Okay. Now let's check this one. A point. Point again you see here. Suppose this is 0. This is 60. 120, this is 60, this is 120. Particularly this one you have to check separately. That is 0, 0, 120, 60. This is the graph like this. Okay. Take a point. Suppose I take 120, 30. 120, 30 is a point. Below the line I have taken. I have taken 120, 30. I think it is not visible there. You check it again here. Zero, 0, 120, 60. This is the line. You can check 60, 60 also is a point here. 60, 60. Let me check this one. Is satisfying this or not? At the point 60, 60. That means 60 minus 2 into 60 greater than 0. That means minus 60 greater than 0 is false. False means the area is not towards this, area is towards this side. The region is away from the point. The region is below the line. Below the line you can do. 3 parts you got. So this is 0, 0, 120, 60. Okay. Let's have a graph of this. Graph I'll teach you. Take 60 units, easy. 60, 120, 60, 100. Okay. First one 0, 60. 0, 60 is a point here. 120. This is here. What is the equation here? Equation was x plus 2y less than 120. So the area is this side. Less than. Okay. Then 0, 60, 60, 0. But this is outside, so we will not take this region now. So we got two common point. Two common region we got here. Because this line area is that side, this line area is this side. Okay. Third one is 0, 0. Then 120, 60, 120, 60. 120, 60. So this region I shown you here, this side means it will be this side. This side, that means this is our common region. This is our common region. You can write A, B, C, D. A, from the graph you find out what is A. B, find out from the graph what is B. Okay. C, this the understood, 120, 0. D, 60, 0. These values you put in Z. I have made a table like this. So put in the table, find out which one is maximum, which one is minimum. So this exercise 12.1 is very simple. Try to complete. 12.2 word problems, it will take time to understand. Okay.